welcome to the new video. So, if you are preparing for your first DevOps interview, whether you are a beginner or you are experienced, don't worry. I'll share some tips and strategies that you can follow and prepare for this journey and crack your first interview. So, let's go. First of all, what interviewers expect from us, you should have basic understanding of what is DevOps culture, what all tools do we use, and there are hundred of tools for containerization, for orchestration, for monitoring, for CI/CD. There are so many tools nowadays. So you should know for each, you should have basic understanding for each version control, then CI/CD, then containerization, orchestration, then IAC tools. So you should have little bit knowledge about everything. Basic understanding should be there. Then what other thing that they expect is you should have a problem solving mindset. Sometimes these theory things won't work because unless and until you have actually worked on the issues. So in problem solving mindset, they'll see that how much, if there is a build issue, then what all approaches will you follow, like where is it failing, you'll check the logs. If it is failing for some plugin version, or if it is failing for some dependency, then you have to connect with the developer team, solve it out. If it is failing for some some package, or some authentication issue, and it is giving a build related error, then approaches, you should tell 2 to 3 approaches. If you are so that approaches, they are more keen that how will you take up any issue, how will you start your debugging. So these all things are very important when you are going for your when you are choosing the domain, a DevOps domain. Communication skills are important because you have to collaborate with different teams. That is very important, that your communication skills are not very good, but you're able to communicate your thoughts, your ideas properly. You are able to collaborate with developers, understand their application, and then put your thoughts. So that is very important. So the tip that I'll give you for improving, I understand I also didn't have very great communication skill, but in order to put our thoughts technically correct, to everyone, and understandable, the best way is to speak out your answers loudly. When you are preparing for any answer, for any question, try speaking it out loudly in front of mirror, and try framing, and not just in mind but speaking out loudly and checking that how you're able to communicate those things. That will help you a lot. Try talking to yourself like that loudly. Maybe you are alone, but try talking to yourself. If you are not very comfortable talking with your friends in English, then try talking to yourself, that how you are able to make the sentence and make it technically correct, so the other person who is they don't know about DevOps, they are very clear about it. So that is one thing which you should be working on if you are lacking in it. Then common beginner questions, you should be that what is DevOps, what is CI/CD. So when sometimes we miss out these things, we tend to focus on some very deep questions, and we tend to forget the basic question. When the basic question comes in front of us and we are not able to explain, that doesn't set a good impression. So that is very important thing. Second thing is you should focus on tools, like basic understanding you should have for each essential tools, like for version control, Git basics, for CI/CD, Jenkins, GitHub Action, GitLab CI. Then for containers, you should know about Docker fundamentals, orchestration, Kubernetes. Okay, or if you have like other tool you are using, cloud, one cloud you should be knowing, then IAC tool. Then you can go, as a experienced person, you can go on monitoring tools too. Then you should have, you can also go for shell scripting and all, so that you can go for. Then how to prepare if effectively is, first of all, watch mock interviews. You can watch mock interviews in YouTube and prepare from it. That helps a lot. That helped me to do it a lot. There is one DevOps and Cloud Labs channel. I would suggest you to go through it. I watched it a lot during my DevOps interview journey. Then second thing is, try to interviewers get impressed very much when you are very sure and you are able to explain about your project very well. That is the point where interviewers get impressed a lot. When you know each and every end, and whatever the question they give to you, you are very confidently answering it. That impresses interviewer a lot. That because it gives them the understanding that you have actually worked and you know very well about the thing that you have worked on. So that is very essential, that you should not only know about your project, but the counter questions that can be asked, you should prepare about it. Maybe, see, I'm not saying that maybe you're not able to crack the interview that you have given first time, second time, but you'll surely crack it if you start working on your areas where you are lagging, and that you'll definitely come to know when you're giving interview. So giving interview is the best practice for getting prepared for interview. So yeah, be honest. If you are not sure about any answer, just be honest. Tell them that you are not knowing this answer, but you are keen to learn it, and you will be keen to explore the answer. So DevOps is all about collaboration, teamwork, understanding the developer's perspective, and then putting it out and deploying the application easily. So all these things matters a lot. So even if you are beginning your DevOps interview journey, it maybe there will be failure first, but try to learn something from those failures, and of course there will be one interview that you'll be able to crack. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views and your queries in the comment section if you have any queries related to interviews or anything. So that's all. Till then, take care. Bye.